I lit out from your back door, kicked an old can 50 miles or more. Written right there on the side of the can, there's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. I looked up and I looked back, walked 100 miles across the railroad track. All I can tell from where I stand, there's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. Love, they tell me, is a fragile thing. It's hard to fly with broken wings. Lost my ticket to the promised land. There's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. So toss it up or pass it round. Pay mind what you're carrying round. Keep it close, hold it while you can. There's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. Falling hearts and falling leaves, starlings light on broken trees. Find we all need a place to land. There's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. So toss it up or pass it round. Pay mind to what you're carrying round. Keep it close, hold it while you can. There's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand.